Hello students, I am Dr. Rajaram Dhok from Savitribai Phule Pune University affiliated Agricultural Development Trust Shardabai Pawar Mahila College Sharda Nagar Baramati. Let's start. Today's lecture on molecular orbital theory, lecture 13. In this lecture, we learn about the molecular orbital energy level diagram of C2 molecule. In the molecular orbital energy level diagram of C2 molecule contains 2 carbon atoms and 6 electrons in each atom. The electronic configuration of carbon is 1s2, 2s2 and 2p2. The 1s orbital is lower in energy, so it does not take part in the bonding. Thus, 1s orbital remains as a non-bonding. So only 2s orbitals and 6 2p orbitals of 2 carbon atoms combines with each other and total 8 orbitals forms 8 molecular orbitals. In this molecule, 2s and 2p orbitals of carbon atom are close in energy. So, first atoms carbon atoms and second atoms 2px atomic orbital interact with each other, and in this interaction first atoms 2s atomic orbital and second atoms 2px atomic orbital combines and forms sigma 2px molecular orbital. In this case, here one atoms 2s and second atoms 2p interaction is possible. So here energy in 2s and 2p orbital is close. So the interaction is possible, and because of that energy sequence in this C2 molecule is given by the sequence that is sigma 1s, sigma star 1s, sigma 2s, sigma star 2s, pi 2py, pi 2pz, sigma 2px, pi star 2py, pi star 2pz and sigma star 2px. So this is the energy sequence in this C2 molecule. Now we see here one more energy level diagram for C2 molecule, its pictorial representation. So in the pictorial representation of C2 molecule, here we write the 2s atomic orbital of first carbon atom and 2s atomic orbital of second carbon atom. Then 2p atomic orbital of first carbon atom and 2p atomic orbital of second carbon atom. In this case, 1s atomic orbitals of first and second carbon atom is not shown because both are filled and it is inner orbitals. So only in the molecular orbital electronic configuration these orbitals are shown by the letters K and K. But there is not necessity to show these molecular orbitals and atomic orbitals in the molecular orbital diagram. So only the valence atomic orbitals combines or interact with each other is shown in this diagram. Now see here the energy levels which is increasing, that is shown by the pointed arrow from lower side to upper side, and so this is shown by here increasing energy by symbol E. Now when we draw this diagram, then 2s orbital of first atomic orbital is shown at the left side. Second carbon atom's 2s atomic orbital is shown at the right side. And in between that two there is shown molecular orbitals. Now Here 2s atomic orbital of first carbon atom and 2s atomic orbital of second carbon atom, when its wave functions are same, then there is formation of bonding molecular orbital. So this bonding molecular orbital is lower energy than the original atomic orbital energy. Now, in the second case, first carbon atoms 2s atomic orbital and second carbon atoms 2s atomic orbital. When its wave functions are different, then at that time there is repulsion and antibonding molecular orbital is formed. So this antibonding molecular orbital have higher energy than the original atomic orbital energy. And this orbital has named by sigma star 2s. So in this way, by combination of 2s and 2s, here sigma 2s and sigma star 2s is obtained. Now we see the interaction between 2p and 2p. So in 2p, first carbon px atomic orbital combines with second carbon atom's px orbital and it forms sigma 2px when wave functions are same. Now in case of the 2px of first carbon and 2px of second carbon, when its wave functions are different, then at that time anti-bonding sigma star 2px atomic orbital is formed. Now the 2py atomic orbital of first carbon and 2py atomic orbital of second carbon, when its wave functions are same, then bonding pi 2py atomic orbital is formed. When third atomic orbital of carbon pz and third atomic orbital of the second carbon, when its wave functions are same, then pi 2pz atomic orbitals are formed. Means in this case py combines with py and forms pi 2py. Pz combines with pz when wave functions are same, then pi 2pz atomic orbitals are formed. Now when wave functions are different, then py of first atomic orbital and py of second atomic orbitals repels with each other and antibonding pi star 2py molecular orbital is formed. Here first atom's 2pz atomic orbital and second atom's 2pz atomic orbital. When its wave functions are different, then pz and pz atomic orbitals are repelled and antibonding pi star 2pz molecular orbital is formed. So in this way, here by combination of 8 atomic orbitals, 8 molecular orbitals are formed. And in this case, energy levels are sigma 1s, sigma star 1s, sigma 2s, sigma star 2s, then pi 2py, pi 2pz, sigma 2px, pi star 2py, pi star 2pz, and sigma star 2px. So this is the energy levels or increasing energy sequence. Now filling of electron in the molecular orbitals. Now total number of electron in first carbon atom is 4 in outermost shell. Then total number of electron in second carbon atom is also 4. So 4 plus 4, 8 electrons are filled according to the rules of above principle, Pauli-Wigson principle and Hund's rule of maximum multiplicity. And according to that rule, first 2 electrons filled in the sigma 2s, then next 2 electron filled in sigma star 2s. After that, each single electron is filled in the pi 2py and pi 2pz. Again there is 2 electron and that is paired in pi 2py and pi 2pz. So in this way total 8 electrons filled in the sigma 2s, sigma star 2s, pi 2py and pi 2pz, and above molecular orbitals remains empty. So this is the MO electronic diagram for C2 molecule. From this diagram, we write the electronic configuration of this C2 molecule. So when writing the molecular orbital electron configuration of C2 molecule, the presence of non-bonding 1s2 electron is shown by capital letter K, because these two electrons are present in the first shell, and that first shell is called as K shell. So in the C2 molecule, there are two carbon atoms takes parts in the bonding, so later K is repeated. So we write KK. The remaining 8 electrons of the C2 molecule, they can follow the above principle, Hund's rule of maximum multiplicity, and Fields electron. So electronic configuration of C2 molecule, we can write Kk, sigma 2s2, sigma star 2s2, pi 2py2, and pi 2pz. So this is the molecular orbital electron configuration of C2 molecule. From this electronic configuration and this MO diagram, we can find out the energy evolve in C2 molecule. So for the energy evolve during the formation of C2 molecule, we write the formula, and this formula is same for the C2 molecule like other examples. So there is formula energy evolve E is equal to number of electron in bonding molecular orbital into minus beta plus number of electron in antibonding molecular orbital into plus beta. By addition of the values, we can write the equation. So 4 electrons present in the bonding molecular orbital, it is multiplied by minus beta. In antibonding, there is 0 electrons. So 0 into plus beta. So we get the value minus 4 beta. So this minus 4 beta value is called as stabilization energy of C2 molecule. Means here minus 4 beta value is present, and this value is more than the lithium molecule. So we say that C2 molecule is more stable, or its stability is again higher than other molecules which contains minus 2 beta, minus 3 beta energy. From this, we write the bond order. So number of bonds between the two atoms is called bond order. So the bond order of this C2 molecule is given by the formula, and this formula is bond order is equal to 1/2 into number of electron in bonding molecular orbital minus number of electron in anti-bonding molecular orbitals. So we write the values of electron in this formula. So in bonding molecular orbital, 4 electrons present. In antibonding molecular orbital, 0 electrons present. Here 4 minus 0, that is the 2. So bond order of this is 2. So next property is magnetic property. So in this C2 molecule, all electrons are paired, and so this C2 molecule shows diamagnetic property. I have given you assignment on this topic. You solve the assignment and submit it. For the assignment, you check the link of assignment in this video description.